Bella Bot, the ballet robot. In a city full of flashing lights and whirring machines, there lived a little robot named Bella. Bella was built to sort screws in a factory. But Bella didn't want to sort screws. She wanted to dance. Not just any dance. Ballet. Every night after the factory closed, Bella would twirl and leap across the shiny floors. She practiced her spins, tiptoed on her metal toes, and even wore a pink tutu made from old wires. The other robots laughed. "Robots don't dance," they beeped. But Bella didn't stop. One day, a famous ballerina walked by the factory window and saw Bella spinning. She clapped and smiled. "That's beautiful," she said. "Would you like to dance in my show?" Bella's eyes lit up. On the night of the show, she danced under the glowing stage lights while the crowd cheered and clapped. She may have been made of metal, but her heart shined brighter than anyone's. Bella proved that even robots can follow their dreams.